my goodness, guys. We came here to Tanger. It's Boxing Day. Yeah, you guessed it. I finally open. I will come here to Tanger. People, there's so much traffic here. You can't get over here. Like, it's so crazy. Guys, I literally just spent $85 in Bath and Body Works because they had so many little things in there for $4.99. I can't wait to show you guys my goodies. Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm so happy to have you guys here with me. Yes, so today I will be doing my Bath and Body Works haul. I'm going to be showing you guys what I got. So I went out on Boxing Day. You know, that's the day after Christmas Day. And usually you can get stuff on sale up to 75% and or 50%, you know. So my target for Boxing Day was Bath and Body Works because I was like, I'm running out of products. My products are low. And I'm like, no. Because, you know, I like to smell nice and sweet. Yes. So I went to Bath and Body Works and got myself some goodies. Yes. So we are going to go through these, okay? Let's see what I got. So, guys, I literally spent like $85. That is a lot for me because my budget that day was $200 and almost half of my budget went to Bath and Body Works. But if you're a Bath and Body Works person, you know, it's worth it. So this one is kind of like a winter one. It's called Magic in the Air. It's a body wash. And I'm going to smell it. See? Oh gosh, guys, it smells so good. Definitely magic in the air with this one. It smells so good. I love it. Yes, let's see what else I have in here. Okay, so I got this one. It's called In the Stars. It's a body mist and it's shimmery, so it has glitter and stuff like that. Ooh. You can see it like that. This is like very shiny. Yeah. My hand, yeah. See, it's glittery. Very nice. And it smells so good. Oh my goodness. Guys, if you are anything like me who likes sale, this is the best time to shop at Bath and Body Works because they have pretty much everything here 75% off. Okay, so if you want to have like a variety of stuff, different lotions, different scents and stuff, this is a good time to shop because most of these stuff I got them for $4.95. Okay, so I got this pink tie-dye and this is a body lotion. Okay, and let's gonna smell it. Oh my gosh, smells so good. You can mix these up with your moisturizers, you know, so your skin stays moist, but you're smelling really good. Do you understand? Okay. So this bag is like, okay, finish. Okay. So this was the most expensive stuff I bought there. Emily in Paris. This is a candle, one of the 3-wick candles. Okay. Ooh, it smells so fruity and so nice. I love this. So this was $11.95. Yes, this was the most expensive stuff I bought. So and it was on sale. You know, candles don't usually go down to that price. So I was just like, okay. And you know, guys, I love candles. So I'm like, no, I'm not leaving here without a candle. So I definitely got at least one candle. Okay. Now we're gonna go in my other bag. This one is called Into the Night. Love this. Oh god, yeah. Into the Night. Yeah. This was $4.99 as well, guys. These body 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 creams are very nice, you know, hand and your body, you can use it on your hand or your body. It smells really good and the price is like Really, really, really good. This is definitely the time of the year to shop on at Bath and Body Works, because I don't usually shop all year on these things, because they had some stuff there on the back shelf. Those were like regular prices. They weren't on sales. So when you go to Bath and Body Works, the stuff that are on sale or like pretty much in the middle, they'll tell you anyways. You know, the stuff that are on sale. Please, there's a lots and lots of stuff there for $4.99 that smells really good. If you're a collector, this is the time to go and get your stuff, get your different varieties to smell real good. Okay, so this one is called Champagne Toast, and my last candle from there was Champagne Toast. So when I saw this, I was like, definitely getting this one, because I really liked how the candle smell. Okay, I had the 3 wick candle. Yeah, I know that smell. Love it. Okay. Um, so let's see what else I have here. I have the Pink and Dye body wash as well. It smells really good. Love, love. These are so nice. Oh my gosh. Oh, guys. Love, love, love it. What other one I got? I got Pear Berry. This is, I never tried this one before. So I was like, okay, let me try Pear Berry. And it is really nice, guys. Oh my goodness. Smells so good. Ooh. You know, they have this 75% sale right now, because they're trying to like get rid of as much stuff that they have right now, so that they can bring in their, you know, Valentine's collection. You know, in a couple of days it's the new year, and then Valentine is right around the corner. So they're gonna come out with more stuff and whatever. So get your stuff, guys. Get these things on sale, $4.99. Oh my gosh. I also got the Pear Berry body spray. Ooh, gosh. I don't know about you, but me, even if I'm not going anywhere, I take my nice shower and I put on my cream, put on my spray, light my candle, have my drink when all the children are sleeping, and I just, you know, like relax. These scents makes me relax. I love perfume. Ooh, so good. What else did I get? Okay, so this is my first time trying Emily in Paris as well. I've never tried this one, but it smelled really good. And for $4.99, $4.95, I mean, I'm gonna get it. Okay, so this was Emily in Paris. I don't know where to put now. Okay. Ooh, take me to Paris, baby. This smells really good. $4.95. This was another one, but just like this one was what? Macaroon Cloud. Okay, and this one is Champagne in Paris. So this is just same name but different. Yeah, different smell. Ooh, I love it. This is so good, guys. If you love Bath and Body Works product, I'm telling you, go get your stuff. Go get your stuff. Also, this one, Floral Fantasy, is a new one for me as well. I'm telling you guys, smells so good. So this one here is called Floral Fantasy. Okay. Um, and then I had another one here. I had another body wash, pink. This one is called Pink Cashmere. Okay, so these are nice for like Valentine's coming up as well. You can use this one for Valentine's. Okay, the red, the pinkness of whatever. So nice. Last but not least, when I saw this one, I was like, definitely not leaving this. This one is called Bridgerton. Ooh. Once you hear the name, you know you want it. Woo! Oh gosh. Love, love, love it. Ooh. It smells so good, guys. So that was all that I got, guys. But as I said before, if you love like having a variety of scent and smell, no, it's good to go to Bath and Body Works right now to get your stuff because they still have it going on. I think the sale will be on for a week. So guys, go get your stuff. Go get your nice smelling stuff. Oh my goodness, because the sale will be over soon. And if you can get this stuff on sale for $4.99, like why not? Like why pay full price for this stuff? Okay, they're on sale. Go get your stuff right now. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys like my video, and if you did, please like and subscribe to my channel for more. Bye.